Hello stalkers, welcome back. I hope you have seen my previous video on Dubai financial market. I will provide a iCard right at the top in case if you have missed that video. This is the daily chart of Abu Dhabi stock market index. What a performance today, it's up by more than 3%. After a long time I'm seeing such a huge candle for a day, and ADX index today broke 4 resistance areas. First one is obviously right here, that is 9,800 that I have been talking about, and then 9,900, 10,000, that was a strong psychological and technical resistance area. Also 10,070 was broken today. Today's closing is at 10,084. This is a huge green candle. Amazing performance by ADX today. Thanks to IHC with the positive news, it opened with a gap up and then we saw a huge rally to the upside. Well, we will talk about IHC in a bit, but let's analyze the index first. Well, if we are seeing this solid green candle, where are we going from here, or is it coming for a retest? First thing first, the resistance is taken out. Next resistance is at 10,135. So let's mark this one right here. And then once this is taken out, we have another resistance around 10,200. And then obviously major resistance is at 10,250. Market previously tried to cross, it got rejected, and we saw huge selling pressure from this zone. For now we can see bullish chart pattern. Market have made double bottom. This was the neckline, that is 9,900. It's taken out. In case if it is coming down for a retest or a small correction, we can see 10,000 as our first support and then 9,900. Well, I really doubt if it can go down till about 9,800 now, but looking at the current scenario, more upside momentum is expected. Let's check out some stocks. First stock is obviously IHC. I have been mentioning 360 is a resistance area, but look at the beauty of price action. Market was just holding around the resistance. We did not see any deeper correction or a strong dip to the downside. Today with the positive news, it opened with a big gap up. Smart traders and investors knew resistance was taken out, that is 360, and it will not come down for a retest with this big news in the market. Obviously, they have entered at current levels and then we saw a huge rally to the upside. Closing is at 388.8. Yes, more upside momentum is coming from here. In case if there is any correction, this will be a buying opportunity for those who missed out the trade at current levels, at the lower levels, or whoever wants to add more quantity after a support is confirmed. Overall, this is very bullish, but please do not enter at the top as your stop loss would be very wide. Any correction should be considered as a buying opportunity. Multiply I had recommended once it broke this resistance of 3.35 and then we saw move to the upside. Today we are seeing a small pause candle right at the top. As we know, when market makes big move to the upside, it needs some time to adjust, it takes some rest, and then again we see a bigger move. We can see a similar example here, a huge move to the upside, market took a pause, and then again a move, again a pause, again move to the upside. So similarly, there are good chances market can take some rest and then we can expect a move to the upside. Overall, this stock is also bullish. M Steel is still struggling to cross 1.35. This is a strong resistance, but now it's getting weaker and weaker as it's been tested multiple times. I want to see a gap up opening tomorrow so that buyers can take the control and we see a positive closing tomorrow. Overall, keep this in your stocking list. Once you see a breakout, this will be a good indication to enter the trade. Then we have Burjeel. I had uploaded a video in the morning with a trade plan for Burjeel. In case if you have missed that video, please watch it first so that you can understand why I had recommended and what is the price action. Today's opening was at 2.37. It fulfills our first criteria. Criteria number 2 was it should cross 2.40 and that never happened, so we did not enter the trade. So this is the benefit of stocking a stock. You watch the stock properly, you want to see the momentum, you want to see if it is at our level, and then you pull the trigger. Before that, it's just wait and watch game. For now, there is no rush. Let's wait for another bullish signal. Taka is looking very interesting at current level. Today it opened with a gap down, but look at this huge green candle, clearly indicating buyers are sitting here, and we saw good volumes in Taka today. Tomorrow if it opens flat or with a small gap up, this is still considered bullish. In case if it opens with a big gap down, do not enter the trade. We will wait for another bullish signal. Please do not forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.